Now this is a demonstration that we're showing Diana with her dog the proper way to begin any walk. We've already showed you door dashing. We've showed you the meat and potatoes on why it's important to have control with the door. But now with the leash on, it adds a whole new level of excitement.
You stay. No, I didn't invite you. Hey, sit back down. Hey, stay. You stay. Okay? No, I didn't say anything. Come on. Hey, I'm not doing that. You stay. You stay. Stay. Come on.
Good. So much better this time. We just previously worked with Molly and it took her a little bit longer to actually get the door open, let alone out to the street.
Right here.
But you have to realize the importance of having control before you open the door. 9 times out of 10, people don't have control. There's too much excitement. What happens by the time you hit the street, it's over with. The dog is pulling you down the driveway, pulling you down the street, doing all kinds of things that you find unpleasant, and guess what happens? The dog doesn't get walked anymore. That's something that we can't have.